And Malacanang says an investigation is underway into a complaint filed against Energy Regulatory Commission Chairperson Zenaida Ducut for her alleged failure to protect consumers from power rate increases. Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma says a probe team from the Office of the President is looking into the complaint filed by Akbayan.
Meron ng nilikhang Investigative and Adjudicatory Division sa Office of the Deputy Executive Secretary of Legal Affairs o DESLA. Ito yung pumalit doon sa dating PAGSI. Dati may PAGSI. Ang ipinalit na ay itong IAD, Investigative and Adjudicatory Division of the Office of the Deputy Executive Secretary for Legal Affairs. Ayon sa kanila, natanggap na nila ang complaint mula sa Akbayan at sinimulan na nila ang kanilang pagsisiyasat ng inihain sa kanila. So yun ang status ng iyong tinatanong kahapon.